Friends, welcome back to Mission NDMS. In this video, I'll discuss this question. It is from the topic of determinant plus a concept of derivative. And this question was said 2026 NDA1. So here key concept in this question is, friends, it is the derivative of the determinant. Suppose delta is a determinant. So I am taking simple example. 2 by 2 determinant f2x g1x second row g2x. This is a determinant. Now if I have to find the derivative delta x or ddx of this determinant, so we'll differentiate row wise. First row I will differentiate. So if f1 I differentiate, so I can write f1 dash x. Then second element of the first row I will differentiate f2 dash. But in this step, second row will remain same, no change. So first row I have differentiated plus. Now first row will remain unchanged. f1, f2x remain same. Second row will differentiate. g1 function, g1 dash, g2 function, g2 dash. And this process will continue. Same rule for 3 by 3 also. So now in our determinant, this case, this is my fx. The determinant name is fx. First row is 3x square cos x minus sin x. Second row 6 minus 1 0. Third row q square q. Okay. So here I have to find the value of the determinant after second derivative at x is equal to 0. So to find the second derivative, we need to find first derivative first. So I am finding the derivative of this determinant. Name is fx. So fx derivative means f dash x. Now as I told here, when we are to differentiate a determinant, we have to determinant one by one row. Other row in one go, one row. So let's differentiate first row. So 3x square differentiation is 6x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. And here minus sin x differentiation is cos x. Second row as per rule remains same. q square q plus. Now see here, another rule is, now first row will remain same. Second row I will have to differentiate. Now when I will differentiate second row, this is all constant, so value will be 0. And we know in a determinant, if particular row all element are 0, value of determinant will be ultimately 0. Then plus. Then third time, first row, second row will same. Third row I have to determine. And third row, they are q square q. Where they mention q is a constant. So third row derivative will be all 0, so value of determinant will be 0. So this is my first derivative. Let's continue the second derivative. So we understood that in the first derivative all are only this one, other two determinant 0. Next, f double dash x means again I am differentiating. So same principle, this determinant, because rest all are 0, I have to differentiate it again. So 6x derivative 6 minus sin x derivative is cos x minus cos x derivative is minus, so 2 minus will make it plus. Second row remains same. Third row remains same. And now step next, second row if I differentiate, then all will be 0. Ultimately value of determinant will be 0. Similarly third row, then this determinant also 0. So all are vanished. So this is the double derivative. Now I have to find the value of the derivative at x is equal to 0. Because our question is find the double derivative at x 0. That means now I'll put x value 0 here in the determinant element, minus x value 0, cos 0 is 1, so minus 1, sin 0 is 0, and they are all constant will remain same because I cannot replace them. So this is our determinant. Now let us expand it by the third column, because in the third column maximum 0, so we can expand it quickly. So this third Q, this element belongs to this row and this column. If we remove them, so minus 6, this into this, formula 1 minus and this into this, so it will be plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6, 0, 0 into Q, 0. So ultimate answer is 0. So right answer is option B. Hope I could explain. Many thanks for.
तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4,000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते